riding across a beautiful coastline, beating through storms. This is John and Fern. So welcome back to John and Fern. This is the day 4 of my bike adventure. I'm here now in Vinh. You can see some school kids behind me. I will be riding 200 kilometers in the next 2 days, and also I will get the chance to ride along the beautiful coastline of Vietnam. It's a bit foggy now, and I hope it won't rain today. It's already 9 a.m. in the morning, so it's a bit late now, so I need to get going. So let's go. In this series of Journey and Fern, I'm riding 800 kilometers across Vietnam. The country has more than 50 million bicycles, and a part of every road is reserved for bicycles. So the best way to explore the country is on a bike, as you can cover more ground while still being able to meet new people and stop wherever you want. For the third part of the journey, I'll be riding from Vinh to Dong Hoi. I take National Highway 1A. This is the main road across the country, and it connects the major cities including Hanoi, Dong Hoi, and my final destination, Da Nang. This asphalt paved road is heavenly for cyclists, but there's bad weather in heaven too. Riding in the rain can be slippery and tricky. Make sure to use a raincoat, or you're bound to get drenched and risk hypothermia when body temperature drops. Or if you have forgotten to carry one like I did, then there's no choice but to man up and face the storm. A tough fourth day, but 115 kilometers later, I was at a hotel in the small town of Kỳ An. Okay, so day 5, I'm heading to Dong Hoi today, 85 kilometers. It should be fairly easy if the weather is good, so let's pray for the good weather. I also hope to see some beautiful coastline of Vietnam today, so wish me good luck. Vietnam borders the South China Sea, and this S-shaped country has a 3,260 kilometer long coastline. So just about 15 kilometers ride, you're gonna see this beautiful coastline of Vietnam. To be honest, this is not the most beautiful beach I have seen, but it's always relaxing to just stand here, feel the wind, and maybe walk along. Just chill. So I'm here now on the bridge to Dong Hoi, 40 more kilometers to go. You can see the sea on both sides of the bridge. It just feels so much more relaxing to see those kind of views than riding in the city or riding in the southern area, because you can smell the taste of the ocean. It's about 1 p.m. in the afternoon now, so we still got plenty of time. So I will be riding a little bit slower today to save some energy for tomorrow's ride. So let's go. For long-distance bicycle trips, avoid being a one-time hero. You don't give 100% every single day, and getting enough rest is essential. The distribution of energy is crucial, and with the loss of mine, I reach my destination. I'm here now in Dong Hoi in my hotel room, and you can see these beautiful views behind me. For today's journey, I would say it's quite chill overall, and I finally get to see something different. I finally get to see this beautiful coastline of Vietnam. I'm not riding in the urban or suburban area anymore, and I'm really thankful for that, and I really enjoy it. So far I have finished 500 kilometers, so 3 more hundreds to go, and after that I can finally go back to Hong Kong. So this is pretty much the end of this episode. If you like our show, please like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you next time. My name is George, and this is John and Fern. YouTube, do you watch YouTube? Drone and phone. Drone and phone. Okay? Drone and phone. Okay? Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Ok.
Tiếng Anh em đi.
Yeah.